Hi there, Scott with Seaman Custom Builds. If you have the Laguna Fusion F1 table saw and notice your dust collection not quite as good as when you first got it, you might have this problem. You remove the access panel, check out the hose, make sure there's not a big kink in it. If so, reach out to Laguna Support and have them send you a replacement hose. Stay tuned and I hope this video helps you if you have the same issue.
We'll start by removing the 4 screws that hold this cover on. Here you can see the giant kink in the hose. This is what we're going to fix.
Alright, so cover's off. Have the new hose so we can pull the old one out. So as you see here, we just have a clamp. Then up here the hose is just pushed on.
So I got the clamp removed and then found the best way to pull this loose was to cut it back with a utility knife. Reinstalling the hose just requires you to push as you twist so it engages the ridges in the hose. Now slide the band clamp over the hose and push on to the connector, then tighten down the band clamp. I'll now make sure I have enough play in the hose by running the motor all the way up and down and making sure we don't get a crimp in it again. That looks pretty good. So now I'll just vac out any remaining dust in the cabinet and we should be good to go. This is a step you'll want to periodically do no matter what cabinet saw you have. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment, and share.